political and strategical rivalry between the United States, America, USA, and the Soviet Union, USSR, after World War 1945. So, what it says that the Cold War referred that it is happened due to the political indifference, and next one is that ideological. These are the two reasons. That's why this war happened, and this war happened between the United States America and the Soviet Union. In short form, you can say that this war happened between USA and USSR. So today we can say that USSR, its name is Russia, now it is called, and USA is called America. This war happened after World War II. When the end of the World War II in 1945, after that, these two countries give challenges to each other, and the challenge was that our ideology and our political system is better than yours, and so that's why this rivalry create a scene, and that scene is called Cold War. Actually, in Cold War, there is a tension between two country, and they are not directly involved in war through the machine and through the armies. It is indirect war. So now we see second, why Cold War happened. So see, what are the reasons behind that Cold War happened? It was termed Cold War. Why it is called Cold War? Because it was termed as a Cold War because despite the intense tension, hostility, and no direct military confrontation occurred between the two superpowers on each other's soils. Means that there are two kinds of war. One is hot war and other one is Cold War. So hot war is, there are two kinds of war. Hot war is that kind of war where everything is fought through the military. We use military in hot war, but in Cold War we don't use military. We don't use force. We don't use force against to each other. So that's why it is called Cold War. Cold War means there is too much tension between these countries, and but still they know each other, that they don't take action against each other because both countries have what? Nuclear weapons, and they can damage each other so much, so badly, that even human existence, it becomes hard. So now we go to other topic, is the formation of competition. Now we see that why this war happened. Form of competition means that the main reason Cold War, the main reason behind Cold War is that rivalry, and it happened due to the political indifference and So this war happened due to Cold War happened due to the ideological indifference and political indifference. Why? What is the political indifference? Political indifference means that USA was the follower of capitalist and democratic country. So here what we say that